When I visit some plant rooms, compressors have been installed, not with planning, but they've been installed by convenience as to the best spot to stick them, the most out of the way bit, the bit that's going to be the less inconvenience, and all the rest of it. But there's been very limited consideration given to the life or the area that the compressor is going to go into, and that'll dictate its running costs, it'll dictate its life, it'll dictate its reliability. And it's really simple just to consider the compressor's environment, and this is a few reasons why. If your compressor's in a hot room and it's sucking air from that hot room, that hot air is thinner. So your compressor has to use more power to give you the same pressure that you had it before. So your power consumption is going to go up. Electrical components inside machines don't like high temperatures. Higher the temperature, the more chance they're going to break down. It means you're going to have lost production. You're circulating air around. Well, people put little vents in a room and the emphasis is on little. You need to have good circulation. You need to be able to walk into a room and there's only a minimal air change in a plant room, not a crazy temperature rise where you want to just run straight out the door. If that's the case, your compressor's not happy and it's costing you a lot of money and putting your plant at risk. So having done everything you can possibly do and your compressor, due to the ambient conditions of the machine, is running warm, and you have this oil carryover running the mineral oil, you might want to consider synthetics, but first thing to do is look at your manual, consult with your supplier, make sure it's suitable, and then that's the best you know that you can do for your machine to protect it, to protect your production, to stop that or to minimise your downtime, to mitigate your risk. Okay, now the last thing I'll say about it, the synthetics tend to be a little bit more expensive than mineral oils, but boy, they last a lot longer, and what's the downtime worth to you? When you look at the cost of downtime, the cost of oil treated as a spare part, it's probably the cheapest spare part you're ever going to buy.